Hey everybody, it's Christine at Zeidman Development, and today I'd like to walk you through functionality available in the Fund Relationship Data Destination in Importacular. Now, just like it sounds, this data destination is intended to allow you to create a relationship between a constituent and a fund. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. So you can see by my screen, I am already in the Razor's Edge. I've gone to my plugins tab. I've opened Importacular. I've selected my data source and I am already in my template. I have also already mapped a constituent and I have all of the information about the constituent already set up on the appropriate tabs in this template. So we are on the Fund Relationships tab. Now, to create a new fund relationship mapping, you would click on the Add New Mapping. If you want to work with one that you've already created, you can also do that here. So if you haven't used this in the template before, of course, this will be blank until you create a mapping. Let's open the mapping I've already made by double-clicking on it. So you can see I'm using a combination of source fields and default values to assign the data to the Razor's Edge. So in my source field, I did have a value for the fund that I want to create a relationship to. And I also had some notes. And then I'm using affiliated for my reciprocal and my relationship. I opted for the date from to use a field setting to say current date, just because I want it to always show up with the day that I did this import. I'm going to go ahead and save and close that mapping, and I want to show you a couple of the area settings that you have available to you as well. So one of the things that you can do with the data destination for fund relationships is you can opt whether or not you want to always create these fund relationships, update existing fund relationships, or if what your import has set up matches what's already in Razor's Edge, you can ignore what's in the import and leave Razor's Edge as is. So that's what these three matching options do here. The first one says always create, so you could have multiple relationships to the same fund no matter what. The second one is going to create new fund relationships. It's going to update existing. And the third one is only going to import new fund relationships. It will ignore any changes that would be made to an existing. The second section allows you to add matching definitions. So in addition to matching on the fund, you could also match on the date from, the date to, the reciprocal, or the relationship. So giving you complete control as to what counts as a matched fund relationship, as well as what happens when it matches. I hope this is helpful for you as you think about how the Fund Relationships data destination could help you work with your fund relationships in the Razor's Edge. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day.